because I'm addicted to Facebook Marketplace, which is the worst drug of all kinds that you could be addicted to. I found a steal of a deal on that bad boy back there. I'll show you guys a little bit more when we get home and get it unloaded. But man, that puppy is sweet, and we got a killer deal on it, so I really can't complain. But I'll see you on the flip side. Doug's got the high ground. He has the advantage. Oh, but he doesn't care. He's just in it for the pets. That's all he cares about. Isn't that what Doug was? It's true. I'm having a buddy come over to help me get this oven out because it is surprisingly heavy. So momentarily we'll have it out of the truck, and maybe Doug will also be out of the truck. So I know I'm getting old when stuff like this excites me. And no, it's not the supercharged GTO or the S1000RR. Nope. It's a $3,600 oven, right? I picked this bad boy up off Facebook. It is the ThinQ LG Pro Line double oven with it. Man, this thing even has it's got sous vide. I don't even know what that is, but I think it's French. I rolled up to a mansion here in town, and I picked this bad boy up for $900. And no, the glass isn't cracked, glass is good, everything works, the top isn't banged up, there's no major dents, there's no major dings, the screen works. The only problem is there's a little tiny scratch, no cracks, nothing like that. I did take off those back pieces because they're in the dishwasher right now. No, the mega mansion that I pulled up to, they remodeled. I guess this didn't match their scheme, and they took it out and posted it up on Facebook, and man, I snatched it. That thing was up for an hour and a half. I messaged, I'll come right now. And, yeah, man, this thing's sick. But, stuff like this that makes me realize, oh, man, maybe my back hurts constantly, not because I hurt it, but just because I'm old. But it's just, this and the, cool washer dryer, which, of course, as soon as I picked it up, everyone told me that LG sucks, but whatever. It's fancy. It's got, the crazy settings and, the steam clean and the steam sand. I don't even know. Haven't even used it, but it was an option, and I was like, well, yeah, that looks cool. And actually, I didn't realize this, but this is actually the same ThinQ. I don't know what that is. No idea. I don't know if that's a specific line. I mean, they're both the black stainless or the dark gray stainless, but yeah, man, this thing's so sick, and I got such a killer deal on it. I cleaned it up. The racks are in the dishwasher, and I'll yank out the old one after dinner tonight. Slide this one right up on in there, and we'll be good to go. And slowly but surely, we are turning this outdated home into something that looks a little bit nicer to look at. A little few pennies at a time. But unfortunately, that means that because I bought this, that the nice fun upgrade for this bad boy right here will have to wait probably, I don't know, maybe another week or two. But intake on this, if you guys haven't watched the other video, is still coming together. The work week just started, so this is kind of being pushed off to the side for a little bit. But anyway, that's just a little update video for you guys. We got the new one in. It looks so fancy compared to, I mean, literally everything in here. They kind of match, actually, even though this is a totally different brand. And it was also super cheap. But our dishwasher took a crap. And this just happened to pop up on Facebook. And it was a killer deal. It does not fit perfectly. There's a slight gap. But it fits. There's a little gap. And then back here, because the back of the oven is not straight like the other one, so you got this little... You got a little racetrack. Little ramp. But I plan on just... I want to push this back a little bit because there's another 7 inches of space right there. Maybe 6 1/4. But yeah, I want to push it back just a little bit so that way for now, because the kitchen layout is not changing anytime soon. You get a little more space between these two. Also, I do have to put this piece of wood back, but everything in this. Dang, you got your dogs out. It's for free. Everything in here is like that balsa wood that's just kind of rotting away. So putting it back might be difficult, but that's for another time when I feel like doing it. So for now, we're just going to look at it from this angle, and that hole's not there. Right, Douglas? It's food time for the dog. Anyway, everybody, that is it. Super fancy oven and stove. Super happy, much excite. Okay, good night.